Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to all P2 Ali and P2 Usman. Okay, no need to turn on your microphone to answer my salam. You just can mute your microphone. Okay, back to science class with me, teacher Afika. So last week, as promised, we finished topic animals. We'll continue with new topic today, which is plants. Okay, let us get started. Can you see this? Can you see the slide? Okay, first I need to check. Can you see the slide? Am I sharing the slide with you? I think I share wrong slide. Wait.
Teacher, you are sharing your screen on my computer screen.
Okay, now can you see the slide?
Yes.
Yes, yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait. Alright, here are the learning objective for today's lesson. Okay, growth of plant. Well, after finish this lesson, you should able to state the importance of plants to humans and animals. Okay, second thing is state the basic needs for the seeds. Okay, however, we'll see if we have enough time, we'll continue with second objective. But if not, we'll continue, we only focus on the first objective, which is state the importance of plants. Alright, anyone. Here are the pictures of mashed potato, kimchi, coffee, as well as chocolate. Okay. Can you tell me how you make chocolate, mashed potato, kimchi, and also coffee? Whereas you get the ingredients.
I think that's easy, teacher.
Okay, tell me, Uma, how can you produce chocolate? From what?
I know, teacher.
Yes,
From
tell me.
cocoa bean.
From cocoa bean.
From
Okay.
cocoa.
How about coffee? How about coffee?
Cocoa. Coffee.
Coffee from?
Coffee plant. Not tree.
I'm not. Are you sure not?
No, it's from a coffee. This coffee plant.
From a coffee bean. Not coffee plant. Coffee. Okay, just see. Alright, so coffee bean. Okay, so how about
I like you, teacher. Cocoa.
how about mashed potato?
Potato.
Come from potato. And how about kimchi? How about kimchi?
Cocoa.
Kimchi. How about kimchi? How to make kimchi?
Teacher, can I get some water?
Okay. Okay, how to make kimchi, class?
I don't know.
Look at the picture. What do you think they use what to make kimchi?
Squid.
Squid? It's not squid at all.
Onion. They put onion.
Not onion.
I said onion.
Okay, this is cabbage. Chinese cabbage.
Oh.
This is a combination of several types of vegetable to make kimchi, and they use a special sauce. I don't remember the name of the sauce. Okay, they combine all these different types of vegetable together with the sauce and ferment. They let this kimchi to ferment for the timeline, how many days I don't remember. But they ferment up to several days. Then only it ready to be eaten.
That's why I don't like it.
You don't like it? Yes, it tastes sour because it fermentation product. But sometimes it tastes great also because I love this kimchi. Okay, class. So cocoa.
kimchi before.
Okay, kimchi, cocoa, chocolate, coffee, mashed potato. All the ingredients, where does they come from? Plants or animals?
Plant.
Once.
Yes.
No,
This product, they comes from plants. So our topic for today, we will learn about what are the importance of plant. Okay, what are the importance? Yes.
Of course it's not. If it was made of animal, then and the coffee maybe like we are drinking animal. Like drinking.
What? Lia drinking?
If the coffee like is like example, if the coffee is made from animal, then that means we are drinking animal.
Yeah, you are drinking animal. Yes. Okay, but no coffee comes from animal, except for luwak coffee. Luwak coffee is special. They use animals' poop to make that coffee. Okay. Today we will learn about the importance of plant. Let us watch this video. Okay, to understand more about the importance of plants. Okay, wait, I changed the setting first.
Teacher, luwak kopi from squirrel.
Not squirrel. I lupa lah nama dia apa. Tapi animals lah.
Addition below 10. Okay, class.
Okay, class. Let us watch this video.
Humans and animals need plants to stay alive. Why are plants important to humans and animals? Plants are important to humans and animals because plants provide
Teacher, I
food,
know this. This is
habitat,
like the monster man.
air,
Okay,
and
okay.
medicine.
Don't disturb other people, eh?
Plants are also
Listen
important
first
to
to the
humans as
video.
a source of raw materials. A good example is wood, which is used to make wooden houses and furniture. Another example is rubber, which is made from latex that comes from rubber trees. Rubber is used to make balloons and rubber bands. One more good example is bamboo. It is used to make baskets and hats. Here is one more example why plants are important to us. We like to go to recreational areas such as national parks and gardens because there are trees and plants.
Okay, done. Mute your microphone. Okay, so I change again the setting. Do not open your microphone unless I ask you to do that. Okay, let's continue this one. Alright, so here are the importance. Allah Akbar. Okay, here are the importance of plants not only to human as well as animals, humans and animals. First, it provides food. Okay, plants are the main producer. You tahu tak bila you datang lambat, you disturb teacher. Bila you disturb teacher, I kena stop. Okay, so this one. Right, so plants are producer. Okay, in a food chain system, they are producer, they produce, they supply food to humans and also to animals. Alright, what kind of food? We'll see after this. Okay, second thing, they provide us with air through gases exchange. Okay, number 3, habitat. What is habitat? What are the example of habitat? We'll see after this also. And medicine, ubat. Okay, what kind of plant we can use to treat this kind of disease? What kind of plant we can use to eat? So okay, let us look. Let us go through one by one, starting from food.
Teacher, one more.
minute, lepas tu you tanya what book. Prepare tatan book and also activity book. Okay, mute your microphone. Okay, so here are the food that we get from plant. The first one, vegetables. All right. So who love to eat salad? Anyone love to eat salad?
Me, teacher.
Carrot.
Me.
Okay. So examples of vegetable. Ya Allahu Akbar. Okay, after this, please use your RIS email. If you use RIS email, so no need for me to approve every time you want to join the class. Okay, vegetable. Example of vegetable are cucumber, salad, lettuce, tomato, carrot, and so on. Alright, so potato. Potato also categorized under vegetable. Okay,
Teacher, I like mashed potato and only just soft carrots.
I see. Okay, second one, cereal. Alright, so do you know corn, jagung? Do you know corn? Okay, so corn is used to make this cereal. Cornflake, Cocoa Crunch, and other thing lah. Okay, so corn is a largest plant that are planted around the world. Okay, because corn is important. It is used to make cereal and other thing that use corn, corn related product. Alright, okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
you mean this one? Cereal.
Cornflake, cereal comes from corn. And also, okay, for Cocoa Crunch not corn lah. Cocoa Crunch, it comes from wheat, gandum.
Yeah, I eat that.
Yes. Cocoa Crunch comes from wheat, also plant, and cornflake, alright, cornflake, it comes from corn. Okay, moving to this, number 3.
But teacher,
Okay.
I thought cornflake I thought corn makes popcorn, not cornflake.
Yes, you can make popcorn using corn, and you can make cornflake using corn also.
Teacher, the popcorn.
But they have Waalaikumsalam. Okay, they have different process how to make popcorn and also cornflake.
But it's like the popcorn is within a hot. It's kind of explain like boom.
You like popcorn because it tastes sweet. That's why you love popcorn.
No, I just hot. Yeah, but it's like pop.
Oh, pop. Oh, you mean whenever you want to make a popcorn, it
Yeah.
pop. The corn pop, is it? Yes.
I heard.
It's hot, yes. Okay, fruit, you also, plant also supply you with different kinds of fruit, kiwi, strawberry, grapes, mango, orange, and many other example fruits. This one, it is important to your mom. Spices. Okay. Black
Teacher,
pepper.
my favorite fruit is strawberry.
What's that?
My favorite fruit is watermelon, apple, and everything.
Okay.
I
Alright.
banana.
Please mute your microphone. Don't disturb teacher. Please mute microphone because I want to continue this slide. Thank you. Okay, spices. Alright, so spices such as black pepper, turmeric kunyit, thyme, parsley, rosemary, all this kind of spice, it come from plant. Okay? Second thing, air. How human and animals get oxygen? Okay, first, the plant release oxygen during the photosynthesis process. Okay, photosynthesis is a process where plant make their own food. Okay, during that time, plant will absorb energy from the sun and later leaf absorb energy from the sun and it make food. They have their specific process. We call this process as a photosynthesis. And food made by plant in form of glucose, gula. Alright, next. Human and animal release carbon dioxide during breathing process. We breathe in, okay, we absorb oxygen, then we breathe out, we release carbon dioxide. Okay, so where does oxygen from plant go and carbon dioxide from us and also animals go? Alright, here is the exchange process occur. Okay, humans need oxygen to carry out our daily activities. Okay, our body system, in every part of our body, we need oxygen. Okay, and plant, they need carbon dioxide in order to carry out the photosynthesis. In short, they need carbon dioxide to make their own food. So we exchange with plant. Okay, so plant, they release oxygen to human and animals. Okay, while we breathing, okay, we absorb oxygen transported by our blood. Okay, our blood, we transport to all part of our body from head to toe. And after this oxygen used up in our body, we release this gas, carbon dioxide, and we breathe out. So this carbon dioxide goes to plant. That's how exchange happen, gases exchange. Okay, understand that? Are you with me?
Understand.
Okay, good. Okay, third, habitat. What is habitat? Habitat is a natural home. Okay, this is the scientific name. No, this is a scientific term. In a simple word, it's a natural home for the plants and animals live. Okay, let us watch this video to understand actually these animals and plants, they live in different habitat. What kind of habitat? Let us watch together. I change the setting first. Wait, Okay, this is song.
I am an explorer of this beautiful earth, from the jungle to the polar caps. There are so many different homes for living things, and we call them habitats. A forest is made up of trees and animals. Oxygen and water are the norm. Temperate means it goes through different seasons, and tropical means it's very wet and warm. A forest is a home for living things, and it's one of the habitats. Grasslands can have many titles: pampas, prairies, savannas, or steppes. And just like forests, they can be tropical or temperate. A grassland is a home for living things, and it's one of the habitats. Fresh water can be a marsh or river, a wetland, a swamp, or a lake. And fresh water can be ideal for insects, for beavers, and snakes. Fresh water is a home for living things, and it's one of the habitats. The poles include the Arctic and Antarctic. Both are very dry and cold. And animals need blubber or hibernation if they want to live around the poles. A polar biome is a home for living things, and it's one of the habitats. A desert's dry and doesn't have much water. Some species live by storing it inside. Some hide beneath the sand when it gets hotter, and come out in the open when it's night. A desert is a home for living things, and it's one of the habitats. The ocean is vast and it's all salt water, with jellyfish, whales and sharks. From the coral reef in the shallow parts to the deep where it's always dark. The ocean is a home for living things. There are even more homes for living things. So many different homes for living things, and we call them habitats.
Wow.
Okay, so there are different homes for living things. Same thing. You guys also live in different kind of homes. Some live in terrace. Some live in apartment. Some live in semi-D. Some live in bungalow or mansion. Okay, so
desert.
Hey, you live in desert ke? I said human lah, not animal. I said human. No, human live in desert.
Sorry.
Ah.
Lizard not sama cannot boleh.
Okay, so
I live in a park.
same thing. Yes, same thing for animals. Different. They also live in different homes, which we call as a habitats. Okay. Okay. Let's look. Let's look again. In the slide.
Apa lagi?
Sorry.
Lizard pula.
Okay. Let's look again in this slide. What are different types of home that live by animals? Okay, this is the example. Tropical forest. Okay, some animals. Alright, so you this one you need to understand. Different animals, they prefer live in different. They have their own preference. It means so not all animals such as tiger, so lion can live in Malaysia in our kind of forest, because our forest is tropical forest. Tropical is hot, dry and wet. Okay, hot and wet. Alright, so lion, they don't prefer to live in tropical forest, but other animals such as monkey, orangutan, they can live in our kind of forest, tropical forest. Okay, temperate forest, it means this kind of forest, they experience different seasons from summer, fall, winter until spring. Okay, that's why it called temperate forest. Okay, third, grassland. Okay, grassland is an area that is covered by grass, rumput. They have no.
Rumput kan soft.
Yes, they have no higher trees. Okay, bigger and higher trees there. That's why it is called by grassland. Okay, lion, elephant, giraffe, meerkat, they prefer to live in this kind of land, a habitat, grassland. Okay, and last one, desert, desert, gurun. It's a very, very hot, extreme.
Unta live there.
Yes, it is extreme hot there. Okay, so
No water.
in desert only animals such as such as camel, fox, what we call desert fox and desert rat, and also bison. These animals,
I don't see bison. Teacher patut dah.
they can live in desert because they have special characteristic on their body parts to adapt with that kind of weather. This is extremely hot. Okay, not compared to we still here in Malaysia. We still have rainy season, but not at desert area. Okay, and last one, plant provide you with medicine. Okay, some of plant can be used as a medicine to treat disease. Not all, but some can use. For example, ginseng. Okay, ginseng, it is used to supply you with energy, but you cannot eat this. You cannot process this kind of ginseng first. Okay, but you cannot eat like how you eat carrot. Okay.
We can use flour to make color.
Yes, that one other process industrial. Okay, but this one I focus on parts of plant which can be used to treat disease. Okay, which can be used as a medicine. Okay, second thing is hibiscus. Okay, some people they use hibiscus to treat cough. Okay, they boil the hibiscus and drink the water to treat cough, and some use lemon to treat sore throat, sakit tekak. They use lemon. Okay, all ginseng, hibiscus, and
I use lemon.
ginseng, hibiscus, and lemon, they come from plant or animal? Plant or animal class? Ginseng, hibiscus, and lemon. Yes, they come from plant.
Unplant.
Yes. So that's the end of our slide today. So any question you want to ask teacher? Before you do your exercise, any question you want to ask me?
Teacher, I want to tell you a question.
Okay, yes. Yes,
Why people, the cows will make milk?
milk. Oh, sorry, what? Why people?
When cows eat the grass and pour milk?
Why cow eat grass?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Alright, because
Eat grass nanti.
okay, cow, it is a natural food for cow. They cannot eat like us, rice and so on, because they cannot eat animals. Because naturally, cow is created to eat plant. All kind of plant they can eat, including grass.
Yeah.
Okay, so after certain
I'm
process,
going to show you one more question.
wait. After certain process in cow's body, it can produce the milk.
Teacher,
Yes, okay,
I
Haras.
want to tell you one more question.
Okay.
Why lion always eat animals?
Why? What?
Why lion always eat animals?
Lion eat animals.
Yeah.
Okay, listen alright, so later you will learn how to classify animals according to their habits, their food habits. Okay, what I mean by food habits, some animals Allah create, sabar Hayden, some animals Allah create them to eat only plant. Some animals Allah create to eat both plant and animals, and some only can eat animals. Okay, so this one we call as for those animals that eat only animals, we call as carnivore. Okay, for those animals that can eat plant, we call as herbivore. And for those who can eat both plant and animal, we call as
like the
omnivore.
dinosaur.
Okay, so human which one? Omnivore or herbivore? We eat plant only or we can eat both plant and animal?
Both.
Yes. Human, we also animals.
Both.
We can eat both plant and animals. Okay, listen Sabar Hayden, wait. After this, wait. Alright, so human, we need protein. Where does the protein come? From the animals. Animals, you eat animals, then it gives you protein. Only you can grow up. Okay, but for those yang eat plant tu, they have their own characteristic to get their own protein, to grow up and so on. But what can I say? Animals are classified, animals have different kind of food habits. Some can only eat plant. Some can only eat, they only can eat meat. And some can only eat, can eat both plant and animals. Okay, Hayden. What is your question?
Why don't have tiger? Kenapa
Why-
tak ada tiger yang baik?
Hey, what do you mean by no tiger baik? Because tiger eat people. Okay, Hayden.
Yeah.
Hayden, the situation is like this, Hayden. Can you tell teacher, where does tiger live?
Grassland?
No, grassland lion. Tiger don't live in grassland.
Zoo?
Mountain?
No, mountain is fox. Tiger doesn't live in
Jungle. Forest.
Jungle.
Zoo.
zoo. No, zoo. Okay, listen.
Jungle, teacher.
Naturally, tiger, they live in forest. Okay, but we live in urban country. Okay, not urban country, urban area, which is Selangor. We cut down all the forests to make house and building. Okay, so do you think that, what do you think to happen to the tiger after that when we cut down all the forests?
Repeat that.
They have no.
They change habitat.
They lost their habitat. So and also they not only lost their habitat, but also they lost their food supply. That's why.
Home.
That's why. Whenever feel and also another reason why you say tiger is bad, because whenever they feel threatened, threatened by enemies, they will attack the enemies to protect themselves. And naturally, they eat meat. That's why they attack people and also other animals, because they eat meat. They eat animal. They don't eat all the plant.
Never mind.
Okay. Umar, yes.
Teacher, when we do the book,
Oh ya Allah, sabarlah, teacher baru je explain. Kawan you baik soalan tadi.
Sabar.